several election goof-ups or campaigning goof-ups after the recent one involving a party pamphlet in which Gujarat Chief Minister Narendra Modi was praised. Here's another embarrassment for the Congress. Delhi Chief Minister Sheila Dikshit in Agra, one understands, praising Narendra Modi for the development that has taken place in the state of Gujarat. Listen in.
गुजरात में कार्य हुआ, इसमें कोई दो राय नहीं है बस। और उनकी सरकार चुनी जाती है। क्यों सरकारें बार बार आ रही हैं? क्योंकि वो विकास करती है। जैसे मैंने असम को आपको दिया कि नहीं उदाहरण दिया, उसी का दिया कि वहां पर भी कार्य हुआ, इस वजह से सरकार।
Well, let's speak with our National Affairs Editor, Bhupinder Chaubey, joining us on the phone line. Bhupinder, very interesting that rather categorically, Sheila Dikshit explaining why the Narendra Modi government is repeatedly voted back into power in Gujarat, saying that it is the development done in the state, certainly not misquoted there, it's as clear as it gets.
Oh, it's a delicious political irony of sorts, that we are now entering a situation where there are more and more Congress leaders who are turning out to be those who are praising the Gujarat Narendra Modi for his brand of developmental work, whereas the number of supporters that Mr. Modi has within his own party, the BJP, seems to be reducing. Sheila Dikshit is the second Congress leader who has come out speaking publicly, praising publicly the kind of good work that's been done by Narendra Modi as he himself looks at himself as the CEO of the state of Gujarat. But very importantly, Sheila Dikshit was also trying to make out the distinction. The question that was put to her was that what does she think about the kind of developmental policies which have taken place within the state of Uttar Pradesh. The question was in the context of what Mayawati has done, whether she agrees with the kind of work which has been done by Mayawati or not. It was in response to that question that while trying to draw a comparison between the state of Assam, which is ruled by the Congress, and the state of Gujarat, which is ruled by the BJP, that Mr. Dikshit ended up inadvertently, unintentionally perhaps, praising the Gujarat Chief Minister.
In Gujarat, of course, there was a recent ad that came out. That ad put out by the Congress party also praised the Chief Minister amongst other previous Chief Ministers of the state. At that time, the Congress had said this was a subtle dig and people had not understood the humor behind it. Let's now listen into Sheila Dikshit once again, see if there was anything amusing in that particular comment.
गुजरात में कार्य हुआ, इसमें कोई दो राय नहीं है बस। और उनकी सरकार चुनी जाती है। क्यों सरकारें बार बार आ रही हैं? क्योंकि वो विकास करती है। जैसे मैंने असम को आपको दिया कि नहीं उदाहरण दिया, उसी का दिया कि वहां पर भी कार्य हुआ, इस वजह से सरकार।